Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. So today's going to be a really quick video. We're not traveling right now, unfortunately. It is spring break, but with the coronavirus scare, we decided to make this a staycation. But I did want to come by really quickly and do a video on hand sanitizer. So I've made my run to the grocery store and I've got all of our staples, canned goods and pasta and rice and things like that. But hand sanitizer, as you know, it's nowhere to be found. But I do know that with a few ingredients, two or three ingredients that you probably already have in your cupboard, you can make your own homemade hand sanitizer. So this is great to bring to travel when we actually do get to travel again. And it's great for cold and flu season. And it's also great when, something like a coronavirus scare happens and everyone makes a run to the grocery store and there's no hand sanitizer to buy. So stay tuned for my hand sanitizer recipe that you can easily make at home. I'm starting with 2/3 cups of isopropyl alcohol, 70% or higher, half a cup of aloe vera gel, and about 8 drops of tea tree oil. And then you can add an oil of your choice. I'm using 8 to 10 drops of lavender oil. And now I'm whisking everything together so that the aloe vera gel gets incorporated well into the isopropyl alcohol. You'll want to let this stand for about 10 minutes on your counter to get thicker. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and inexpensive way to make your own hand sanitizer. You can store this into a large jar like this, or pour it into smaller travel-sized containers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit on that like button and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our travel videos. Until next time, take care.